Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be seeing about in this video how to write the full header code using half header module. So this is the code from the previous previous videos. So this is our test bench I have already written to save the time, and this is our module of half header. So today we will be seeing like how to write the full header using half headers. So the procedure is same. Module FA, we have to declare the module full header. So we have to give the A, B inputs, C in, comma, sum, comma, C out. Then we have to declare the inputs A, comma, B, comma, C in, and outputs sum, comma, C out. So as we know that when the full header is a combination of two half headers, so there will be intermediate results, intermediate C outs. So we have to store them in a wire. So we have to declare the wires. So a total of 3 wires are required. One is to store the couts of two different half headers, and one is for a intermediate sum produced by the first half header. So we will write int of sum, int 1 of cout, comma, int 2 of cout. So we will be declaring our first header, half header. So this is the module name. We have written the code here above. So you can give the user friendly name here, anything. So make sure the inputs are given as in this format only. Like at the place of A, you have to give the first input. At the place of B, you have to give the second input. And at the place of sum and cout, you have to place the respective outputs. So at the first half header, you will be getting A and B as the inputs, and intermediate sum as the output as of sum, and the cout will be int 1 of cout. So here the first half header sum will be stored in this wire, and the cout will be stored in this wire. So we will be requiring another module of half header to complete the full code of full header. So we have to declare another HA, and here we have to give the user friendly name. It should not match the above one. So here we have to give the respective inputs. So as we know, or as you can see in the image below, the first input will be int of sum, which is from the previous sum of half header, and one will be our scene, and sum will be direct sum. But the cout will be stored in another wire, that is int of cout. So now for the cout, we have to perform the OR operation of int1 cout and int2 cout. So we can use directly the module OR of we will giving the name as cout, comma, int 1 cout, comma, int 2 cout. So we have to end the module. So what this code does is it takes the half header module from the above and perform our respective operations. So let's submit the code and let's run. So make sure you have selected this and egress Verilog. So now let's run the code. So you can here get the signals up and all. So you can see the waveform, or I have written the monitor code to make sure it is easy. So as you can see, and you can compare with the truth table, or you can see my previous video for the comparison. So that's all for this video.